Hello guys, today we make tempeh at home. Homemade tempeh directly from the dry soya beans. I am in Indonesia, so it's very easy to find it and to make it because there is all the ingredients, the right temperature. If you are living in a different place, you need to organize yourself because you need a temperature of 31, 32, 33 Celsius degree, both for the tempeh that for the starter. If you buy the starter, it's a kind of powder. Maybe I will put the link here under the video. If not, you need a piece of tempeh because for this recipe, like when you make yogurt, when you make camembert, when you make gorgonzola, you need a kind of fungus or kind of yeast or kind of bacteria. In this case, the fungus is Rhizopus oligosporus, called also white mycelium. This is why the tempeh is white, from this kind of fungus. This is why I cut the extremity. I put in a jar like this, cover with a plastic wrap, make some holes. Now we keep at room temperature for me, that is 33 Celsius degree. In this way the fungus will grow stronger and we can use it tomorrow for our tempeh. Plus you need 200 grams of dry soya beans and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This is distilled sugar cane vinegar, but you can use rice vinegar, you can use apple vinegar, you can use white vinegar in general. 1 tablespoon. Now we should soak our beans in the water at least for 15 hours. So now I put the beans in the water. See you tomorrow. After only 20 hours, you can see the mycelium grow crazy. It's like a cat, white cat, but now, I don't know if you noticed, start to become gray. From this we learn that when you buy your tempeh, you should buy the whiter one. If it's a little bit gray, means that it's old. Plus, now I show you the pictures, how fast grow this mycelium. Here instead is the skin of our soya beans. After the 20 hours, yesterday I say 15, but sorry, 20 hours passed. You need to wash your beans and remove the skin. And after boil them at least 30-45 minutes. They should be cooked, soft, but still firm. If not, you cannot work them properly. After 45 minutes, we drain them, we cover with a towel, and we should wait until they reach the room temperature. Because if we add the fungus now, you kill the fungus. Reach the room temperature before adding our white mycelium. Remember that you should add the vinegar, 1 tablespoon. We add the vinegar, we mix very well, and after, if you have a mixer, you can mix your mycelium and add. In this way will be even better. If like me you have not a mixer, you can use a knife and mince in pieces very small and add again to your soya beans. I don't know if you have noticed, from white now it's close to gray, so it's perfect. Mix everything very well. We take our soya beans and we put in a plastic bag like this one. We close the plastic bag. Remember, should be not too thick, maybe 1 inch or 2 centimeters, no more. After we make some holes with a stick to give some air to our mycelium, and that's it. After we need only to wait. Remember 31 Celsius degree. After 48 hours, my tempeh is ready. Maybe better 36 hours because was more white. Now start to become a little bit gray, so maybe is already 12 hours ahead. But yesterday, sorry, I have friends for dinner. We made pizza. So I forgot about my tempeh until this morning when I checked was already gray. So now I will open it, I will cut some pieces so we can check it inside. And voila, our tempeh is ready. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some recipe with the tempeh to share with us, you can write me the recipe here down in the comment or on Instagram. I will make the video. Or if you have some request, let me know down in the comment. If I found the recipe, I will make a video again. Bye bye. For this video we cannot say spectacular until we don't find a spectacular recipe to try our homemade tempeh. Bye bye.